In this video, I'll detail how to wear Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to wear it, you literally need to plug in or insert the Apple Wear band or wristband. So here in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can easily wear your Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to wear your Apple Watch is install the wristband like this. How do you do that? Just locate where you see a small metal like this, and it's going to fix down on the Apple Watch wrist position. And then if you look closely into the Apple Watch hose, there is a small hole where this button is going to get in. Now just insert this like this and then push it. So once you hear a clip, that implies that the Apple Watch band has been installed. Then repeat the same process on the second band like this and then push it. Then once you hear a click as well, it implies that the Apple Watch band has been installed. However, to wear your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is place it on your wrist like this, and then use one of your hands to hold the clip. You see this? Then insert it on the hole. Make sure you insert it on the perfect holes for your hand size like this. Then once you do it like this, the Apple Watch is going to hold firmly and it's not going to check and it cannot remove from the clip. However, to completely wear the Apple Watch, you need to insert this into this hole like this. Then that is it. So that's how you can easily wear Apple Watch on your wrist. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.